pride of ownership. This beautiful two-story home comes with plenty of amenities to please. The first-level open floor plan has a quick-start fireplace with wood PERGO and ceramic tile flooring, including the stairs. There are raised wood panel cabinets with crown molding and barn kitchen. It comes with all kitchen appliances. There is a double-sized pantry for added storage in the utility laundry room. The home has upgraded light fixtures and ceiling fans in the great room and all bedrooms. The oversized master suite, with master bath, comes with cultured marble top double vanity sinks, a walk-in shower and a double-paneled mirrored walk-in closet. Bathrooms come with upgraded faucets. The fourth oversized room is currently being used as a game room den. Can be converted to a fourth-bedroom double-unit refrigerated air system for the hot summer months. The backyard landscaping has grass and rock with a sprinkler system and a covered patio. There is a storage shed for tools and side RV parking with a power outlet.